Good morning. Here we are back with the Mini, 20-year plus Mini. We're going to fit the speed controller in and the switch. I think I'll fit the switch in. Fit the switch in there first. Okay. Get the nuts and bolts. Switch in there, the washroom. A little locking ring on this one. I think it's there. That's it. I'll plug the motor in. Doesn't matter which way around you put these. The same sort out. If it goes backwards, it should be going forwards. You just swap these cables around. That's what I have to do. Pretty easy. That's that and that. Drop that in there. Push that bit of cable in. That is for your battery. Going under there, comes out the side. It's okay, it's not going away. That's all right there. Cable's here. That goes down there for your battery. Right, been far away. Put the receiver in. Now, your steering, white or yellow, goes to the top. Number one. This is also your power coming from the speed controller, so you don't have to put a separate power supply in. I'll put that to number 3. That's for the white or yellow to the top. Stick that on there. Get a bit of tape. Just tape these up. These are your twigs. There, a little bit of tape out. This is my recycling year. I'm going to be recycling. And what I'm going to do is slip the battery in there. This plate, I actually lost it, so I had to make a new one. 3D printed that one. So that slides in there. That holds the battery in. Where's my clip gone? Oh, I've lost my marine clip. Yeah. There's always something with these things, isn't there? Lost the bloody clip. Oh, here it is. Put the clip in there. These clips, because it's cold. See? Plug your battery in. If it's switched on or not. Red to red. Yeah, it's switched on. Turn it off. Let's shove that around there. I might put a little cable ties in there when it's working. I think that's it. I'm going to put that on there. Put that on there. Turn the radio on. set up to number 3, like I said. It's just a really simple, easy peasy job. Right. Steering. Brilliant. Pleased with that. Right. Now. Which way is it going? I can't tell. What have we done? I turned it off. Press. Now. See what I was on about earlier? These, turn it off. These cables ran the wrong way. Because as I press forward, it went reverse. So just swap that round. Put that yellow into black. And then green into red. Put it back on there. I think, put it back on. I'm really pleased with that. Really pleased with that. Steering. I've got to move this cable out of the way, but that's brilliant. Front wheel drive because it's a Mini. I'm very pleased with that. Tuck all that away, tuck that back in. Yeah. That's the Mini. All done. Bye.